Water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance, which is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of all non-living organisms. Water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, biological contaminants, suspended solids, and gases from water. The goal is to produce water fit for a specific purpose and for human consumption. Clean water is a necessity to every living organism. Various human activities, however, lead to various pollution being emitted to the environment and thus pollute the surface water resources.
Assalamualaikum, good day and hi everyone. I am AQILA binti KAHARUDDIN. Before we start making our own water purification system, we need to make our own water sample as a replacement of wastewater to test on our water purification system later on. So, before I show you guys how to make the water sample, let me show you guys what is the material used to make the water sample. First, we need tea and we need 1.5 liter of water. So, let's start making the water sample. We need to mix 1 tablespoon of tea with the water and mix it until it is soluble and mix it with the balance of the water. We need to make sure when we transfer the tea, the residual also will be transferred. Then, I'm going to mix the water sample. Mix it until it is fully soluble in the water. Ta-da! The water sample is done. It is ready to be tested on our water purification system. My friends will show you guys how the water purification system will be done and will be tested using this water sample.
Assalamualaikum, I'm SAZHALYANA from class EC22063A. Today, I'm gonna do experiment of water quality for water filtration. I am for system 1 is 4 cm sand and 4 cm stone, and then we got the cotton. And then here also we got the sand, we got the water sample, and then we got the stone, and then finally we got the bottle. Okay, first we put the cotton into the bottle. Next, we put the sand for about 4 cm depth. Alright, next we put the stone for 4 cm also. Okay, then put our water sample. Okay, after we already pour the water sample into our system, we're gonna wait. Okay. Okay, then this is our sample. We're gonna compare. Next, we're gonna check the odor. This one is much stronger than this one.
For the system 2, the apparatus that we will need is a bottle, an empty bottle, and synthetic raw water, stone, sand, and also cotton. As these are the 3 elements of our filter media. First, we put the cotton into the bottle and we measure 8 cm of sand. Then all the measurements are taken by using ruler. And pour the synthetic raw water into the system. To analyze the water quality of our system, we're going to test according to the turbidity, pH level, colors, and odors. To test the pH level, we're going to need a litmus paper. And to test the turbidity, we're going to need a SAZHALYANA chart. And for the colors, as you may see, this is before the water been purified and after the water has been purified. The color are slightly changed since the purified system has no contaminant. It become more clear. For the turbidity part, before the water been purified, as you may see, it has a lot of contaminant inside, and it fall into 80 NTU. And after the water have been purified, the value that we get is 20. And these are the result of the pH value before and after the water being purified. Before it being purified, it is 7 pH value as according to the charts. And after it being purified, it's still 7 pH value.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is NURFATIN ANISA binti ALIAS from class EC22066C3A. Today, I would like to conduct an experiment to test the water quality. For my part, I will do the system number 3, which is I will use 12 cm depth of sand and 4 cm depth of stone. And the apparatus is water sample, stone, sand, cotton pad, and bottle to do the filtration. Let's start the experiment. First thing to do is put the cotton pad into the bottle. I already put 8 pieces of cotton pad. So next, I will put 12 cm of sand into the bottle. Next, I will put 4 cm depth of stone. Proceed to the next step. I will pour the water sample into the filtration.
Okay, now we will see the result. This is after filtration and this is before filtration. For the first analysis, we can see the difference in color between these two water. We can say that the color after filtration is lighter compared the color before filtration, since there is no contaminants in the water. For the second part of analysis, which is turbidity value. So I put the water sample and then we can get the value of the turbidity, which is 80 NTU. Compared to the water sample after filtration, okay, we can say that the value is 40 NTU. The last part of analysis, which is odor test, we can say that the smell before filtration is stronger than smell after filtration.
After testing all the water purification system, we chose water purification system 2, which is done by NURUL IDAYU. This is because she used clean stone, so there is no impurities will affect the result of the water sample. The result of the water sample by water purification system 2 shows that it is odorless, nearly colorless, and the turbidity is 20 JTU. Hence, it is decided that water purification system 2 is a very effective water purification system.